Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do first home training. We're gonna start with the stretching our body. We start with the star jumps. Everyone copy us. 시작. 하나, 둘, 셋. 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 Okay, then we're gonna do stretching our body. Start with the upper body, hips, rotating. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Rotate your shoulders. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Twist your body. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Rotate your neck. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Okay, rotate your knees. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Bend your knee. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Okay, turn your body. Push your knee. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Go down. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱,
Okay,
여덟.
bend your body forward. 하나, 둘. 너무 다음에 하나, 둘. Other side. 하나, 둘. 하나, 둘. Okay. We're gonna stand up. Last back stretch. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Okay. Everyone well done. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna do squat front kicks, okay? As we say, squat front kick, we do front kick while we're doing squat. When you do squat, make sure your back straight and when you go down, your knee do not go over your feet. So let's see how we do. I will demonstrate. Two hands behind your head and stance open as your shoulder width. And your back straight and go down. Sit, but make sure your knee doesn't come out and stand up. Again, sit, back straight and stand up. Then we're gonna add front kick here. Sit. When you stand up and kick. 하나. Again, sit and stand up and kick. 둘. One more time. 하나. 둘. Okay, everyone try? Okay. Then next we're gonna do bear walk exercise here. Okay, bear walk you guys are doing while we do warming up. So basically it gives you very good core training. Let's copy us. So we should show side of it, huh?
네, 사이즈.
Okay, bear walk is simple. Okay, you walk like a bear. So bend your body and touch the floor with your two hands and keep your knee bending. But your knee doesn't touch the ground. Keep your knees up. Okay. Then we're gonna walking forward. Okay. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. Okay. Turning around. Okay. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. Okay. Okay. Did you try? It's very easy, right? Ay! 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 Ay!
달려라요 로봇들여 날아나라 태권브이 현러 붕킨 줄 널
6 seconds.
던지고 아재이 로봇 때려 부순다 멋지다 신난다 태권브이 만만세 오늘의 우리 친구 태권브이
Okay, everyone, did you made it within 4 rounds? Here, instructors, we try very hard. We have just a little bit left. But I hope you guys made it in your living room. Make sure always you're thinking about your parents, how hard clean your house maintenance, and try to help them. And if you finish the mop the floor, make sure you wash your hand now. And we have a 30-second break. Well done, everyone. Next, we're gonna do a play games, which is catching the paper. So this is really good for your eyesight and reflex. What we're going to do, we're gonna just catch the paper in the air. So you need to prepare this little piece of paper or plastic bag. So you can cut the plastic bag or papers. Okay. The rule is very simple. One of you gonna throw those paper in the air, and another partner gonna try to catch until last paper drop, and we count them. Who get more paper, who win. Who win the game have a chance to play the drum with the Indian bop. I'm gonna show you what is the Indian bop later. Okay, let's do it. Adam, are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Up, me. 하나, 둘, 셋. No. No, no. Catch it up from the ground. Okay, you got one. Okay, instructor Adam got one. And this is my turn now. Okay.
So one of the rules, you cannot pick them up from the floor while they're falling.
Yeah.
Okay. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Okay, I got two. Okay. Then someone will show you what is Indian bar. Okay, so your partner become drums. Okay, I'm gonna play. Let's do it. Indian bar. Okay. Okay. Next, one more round. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, how many? 4. 4. Wow, good job. Okay, then my turn. Instructor Wood, I'm gonna try. Very tough. This time I need to catch it 5.
Okay, ready. 하나, 둘,
Go.
셋.
I got 1, 2, 3. Okay, this time instructor Adam won.
Okay, ready.
Go. Oh, okay. Yeah. Instructor Raphael, would you join us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do it. Then instructor Raphael and instructor Adam gonna have a match.
Okay, ready? 하나, 둘, 셋. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no.
So, but it doesn't look like a really good martial arts skill. Okay, let's do it.
Bundle.
Okay, bundle catch. Good job, sir. Next, instructor Adam. Ready, set, go. Okay, how many instructor Adam?
1.
1, okay. Okay, instructor Adam will become drums now. But, okay, well done. Okay, next I'm gonna do with the instructor Raphael another matchup. Take the video. You want me to go first, sir?
Okay. You got a bundle.
I got bundle catch. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7. Okay. Next, instructor Lapa. Ready?
Sir.
So ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, go. How many, sir?
One.
One. Okay. I got drums now. Okay, let's see. Bumps. Okay, everyone enjoy. Next, we're gonna do a little bit of advanced one. Now, if you can see, this have a black dot. Okay, so all over 10 paper, we try to catch only black dot paper. We're gonna try one by one. We demonstrate. Start from myself, Instructor Rafael, and Instructor Adam. Let's do it. Challenge. Wow, I got 2 from 3. Okay, I got 2 of them black dots. Okay. Next, Instructor Rafael. Are you ready, sir?
Sir.
1, 2, 3, go! Only black, only black. How many you got, sir? Seems like 2. Wow, nice. We just show to camera. Okay, well done. The next instructor Adam will demonstrate last round. I wish instructor Adam catches 3 of them. Ready? You ready?
Sir.
1, 2, 3, go! Okay, instructor Adam got 1. Okay, everyone try at home with your parents or brother and sister. It's quite fun, but also you really develop your eyesight and reflex. Okay, everyone try and enjoy. Okay. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna try to catch the momentum. So you need to have a really good reflex and good reactions. Okay, so this exercise is very simple. You're gonna hold the one ball, and in the air, you're gonna switch the hand and catch. Switch the ball and catch. So instructor Adam will demonstrate. So watch. Ready?
Sir.
Check. Catch. Stop. Like that. Okay. Done. Nice. Done. I hope you guys enjoy and staying healthy and do your works. Okay. We will see you next time. Cheerio. Good night.